Hello, it's me, CGD. The time is 21:06, 14th of the 7th, 210. This piece is for RW and WS and another old pal, Arthur. This piece is primarily to warn you lot that any criminal investigation that you lot might be under, whether it's in connection or murder or conspiracy to murder, it's been investigated by HMP Brixton Prison and its prison officers. They plan to use the police, whatever police force it is, nationally or internationally, it's not important to them, but they plan to produce evidence that has not been produced in original inquiries or investigations. Some of this evidence will be implanted and embedded into the systems that the police or whatever law enforcement are investigating you, and it's a fabrication. Some of it is just a disorientation of the truth, but the nuts and bolts are that Brixton Prison know the forensic evidence that is on you and are trying to manipulate that and orchestrate it to get you found guilty or to get you to cave in and plead guilty on a plea bargain basis. They want you to not only go to prison, but for you to grass up any and everyone that you might know who might have a connection in crime. It doesn't necessarily pertain to be in connection to whatever offence, be it i.e. drugs, firearms, murder, whatever. It could be anything. These prison officers are unscrupulous. You know, they will do and say and force anyone to do and say what they want and their bidding. Unfortunately, I'm in a position where what I say and what I feel has been manufactured by HMP Brixton Prison. But this is the truth. These prison officers have got secret files on you, whoever you are. They're building them at an alarming rate, and they're already putting them into place in what you might call a subliminal act, where they believe people won't notice in law enforcement, CPS, DPP, Attorney Generals, that it's a fabrication of the truth or a disorientation of the truth. It's the intent of HMP Brixton Prison to not only bring you to justice, but to have you in any prison and have you hooked up to these satellites, computers, programs and databases, and extract information about your possible either co-defendants, co-conspirators, accessories, any connection really, no matter how small or tangible. They want the connections that you have and then go on to that person to get their connections. They claim a foolproof plan backed by the British government, financed by the American government. This is conspiracy to murder by HMP Brixton Prison, murders by HMP Brixton Prison, and conspiracy to commit genocides, as they've already confirmed in the previous pieces. These are the new warlords. They're warmongers. They think they're acting as agents of the state on behalf of the British government. They're not. These are the super criminals of the future. They conspire to break the conspiracy laws. They conspire to break the joint enterprise laws. You know, every law basically, but these are the main bodies they want because they affect them directly. The prison officers of HMP Brixton Prison, past, present and future, are locked in multiple joint enterprises, multiple conspiracies, treason charges, terrorism charges, torture charges and genocide charges, and every other indictment there is nationally and internationally. This is just a word of warning for all you people who are still under investigation for alleged murder offences or death by manslaughter or whatever, that you're going to be continuing under investigation, and when Brixton Prison get to you, you will probably have little or no chance in the court of law. So you need to be aware. Keep your briefs if they're good. If they're not, get rid of them and get new briefs. You're going to need them. The future is not looking rosy. Thank you.